Okay, so this is part 2 of the cumulative test 15A review. Okay, and we just have these 3 problems, so let's go ahead and get after it. So here I'm going to add these 2, and I need a common denominator. So I'm going to bring this over here, plus 2 1/2, and I think my common denominator is going to be 6. So I'm going to bring this over here. Let's see, so times 2, so I have 1 4/6. Plus, so this is 2, let's see, times 3, so 3, 6. So we have 4 plus 3 is 7, 1 plus 2 is 3. I'm going to leave this like this, even though it's improper and mixed, because I'm going to divide here. So I have to popcorn it anyway. So let me change colors and bring this over. So now I have 3 3/4 divided by 3 7/6. So I'm going to popcorn it. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15 over 4, divided by 3 times 6 is 18, plus 7 is 25 over 6. So I'm going to keep change, flip, change, flip. And if I multiply it out just like that, I get 15 times 6 is 90. And 4 times, that is 4, yep, times 25 is 100. So that's going to give me 9/10 as my answer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause and erase this so that I can do number 19. So if you need to pause and write it down, go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do number 19, and I'm going to pull that over here as well so we have plenty of room. So I have -7 minus a -4, and I'm going to do that first. So this is a subtraction problem. So I'm going to keep, change. Now it's an addition problem. -7 plus a +4. They're different signs, so 7 minus 4 is 3, and the 7 is bigger, so I have -3, and then I'm going to pull down the rest of the problem, plus a -3. So this is an addition problem, same sign, so we're going to add and keep the sign. Okay, in the last problem here, a rectangular piece of metal swings around a rod. As it spins, it sweeps through the space to show a shape of, it's going to be a cylinder. So if you can kind of see, it's going to go around like this, and then this is going to go around the bottom. Then you can kind of see the cylinder shape. Let me know if you have any questions.